that star-spangled banner yet waves o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thanks for joining us tonight. Along with Darren Pang, Mike Emmerich. We're just about set to drop the puck.
Great to be here, Mike. Let's take a look at the starting goalies for tonight's game. In goal, for New Jersey, Martin Brodeur. And in the opposite net, in goal, for Tampa Bay, Darren Pupa.
We're just about ready for the start of tonight's game in Tampa Bay. Draw one by Yzerman. The Lightning set up shop. McKay slammed into the board. Malik zigzags his way in down the board. Pushes it up, rink wide to Yzerman. Slap shot, kicked wide by Brodeur.
Tremendous save.
Malik on a breakaway. Kicked out by Pupa. To Colomar. Hands it ahead to Yzerman. The Lightning control at the point. We have some fisticuffs. 5-minute majors, they earned them. Those players will be substituted for.
Tampa Bay penalty, number 4, Corey Cross. 5 minutes for fighting. New Jersey penalty, number 26, Patrick Elias. 5 minutes for fighting.
Emotions are running high out there. Hopefully we can get back to playing some hockey now that these guys have had a chance to take out some of their aggression.
Each player will receive a fighting major. The draw at center ice. One back to Dean.
Oh, whoever gets the first goal gets a big lift.
Left side to Richer. Morrison zigzags his way in down the board. Advances the puck to Yzerman. Tampa Bay chases it down. Kicked wide by Brodeur.
Boy, is he looking sharp.
Morrison tees it up. Left side to Richer. Richer gets shoved. He can't get it. Sikora in the corner. Icing whistled against New Jersey. Olik faces off in his own zone. Over to Richer. Colomar to Richer. Kicked wide by Brodeur. Odd man rush. McKay looking. Sikora races back to get it. Unloads a bullet. The Lightning set up shop. Penalty call. And Tampa Bay gets a chance on the power play.
McKay hoping that there is some way that his teammates can kill this penalty and get him off the hook.
New Jersey penalty, number 21, Randy McKay. 2 minutes for cross-checking.
He earned that one. Those cross-checks can be painful.
Penalty called by the referee. McKay will head to the box.
Huge problems on the power play this season for Tampa Bay.
The Devils win the draw. Karams off the boards. Tampa Bay back to get it. Smothered by Pupa. The Devils set up shop. New Jersey back to get it.
1 minute remaining.
Tampa Bay on the power play. Kicked out by Brodeur.
Yzerman misfired on that puck right in front.
Sikora in the corner. Time running down in the period. Kicked wide by Brodeur.
Boy, is he looking sharp.
And that'll do it for the first period. Tampa Bay 0, the Devils 0.